Hello students, today we'll start a new chapter of class 4, that is long and short. So here are some units, standard units of measuring length. First is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. That is, on scale you have seen that some lines are between centimeters. So these lines are called millimeters. The next is 1 meter is equals to centimeter, that is cm. 1 km, that is kilometers, is equals to 1000 meters. So now I will convert meter to centimeter. First is 2 meters. So how will we convert it? As you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So first I will write 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So 2 meters will be equal to 2 multiplied by 100 centimeter. That is 200 centimeters. Next is 4 meter, 50 centimeters. So as you know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 4 meter, 4 multiplied by 100 plus 50 centimeters is equals to 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is equal to 450 centimeters. Next is 7 meter, 80 centimeter. So I have to convert in centimeters. So as you know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So how will we convert? 7 meters, 80 centimeter is equal to 7 into 100 plus 80 is equals to 700 centimeters plus 80 centimeters is equals to 780 centimeters. So now we'll convert centimeter to meter. So students, when we are converting meter to centimeters, we were multiplying by 100. So now we'll divide it by 100 when we are converting centimeter to meters. So 200 centimeter. So as you know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 upon 100 meters. So now we'll convert 200 centimeters. So we have to divide it by 100. That is 2 meter. That next is 30 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meters. So 30 upon 100 meters. We'll cancel 1 0 from 1 0 and here is equals to 3 upon 10. So here how many zeros are here? 1 0. So point will come before one digit, that is 0.3 meter, or you can say 0.3 meter. Next is 40 centimeters. We have to convert it into meter. So 40 upon 100 meters is equals to 1 0. So 1 0 cancel. Then 4 upon 10 will be equal to, here how many zeros are here? Only 1. So point will come before one digit, that is 0.4 meter. Then next, convert kilometer to meter. As you know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So here we have to multiply it by 1000, that is 3 kilometer. How will you convert? 3 kilometer is equals to 3 into 1000 meters is equals to 3000 meters. Next is 40 kilometer. 40 multiplied by 1000 meters is equals to 40,000 meters. Next we'll convert meter to kilometer. Here we have to divide it by 1000. Because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. Here 3000 meters, we have to convert it into kilometers. So we'll divide it by 1000. 3 0 cancelled. So answer is 3 kilometer. The next is 400 meters. So we'll divide it by 1000. So we'll cancel 2 zeros. 4/10, that is 0.4 kilometers. Now, have you heard about races in which people have to run 40 kilometers? People run marathons on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. So first question is 10 rounds of a stadium track. Question है कि आपने क्या कभी मैराथन्स के बारे में सुना है जिसमें पीपल को कितना रन करना पड़ता है 40 किलोमीटर्स, बट जो स्टेडियम का ट्रैक होता है दैट इज ओनली 400 मीटर्स. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन गिवन है कि 10 राउंड्स एक स्टेडियम के कितने किलोमीटर्स के इक्वल होंगे. सो 10 राउंड्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय स्टेडियम ट्रैक कितना है 400 मीटर्स, दैट इज 400 मीटर्स इज विल बी इक्वल टू 4000 meters. But here we have to convert it into kilometers. For converting it into kilometers, we have to divide it by 1000. That is 4 kilometers. So 10 rounds of stadium track will be equal to 4 kilometers. Next is, so if you run a marathon on a stadium track, कि अगर आप स्टेडियम ट्रैक में मैराथन करते हैं, सो यू विल हैव टू कंप्लीट डैश रन्स. अगर आप स्टेडियम ट्रैक में मैराथन करेंगे तो आपको कितने राउंड्स लेने पड़ेंगे. सो हियर एज यू नो कि यहाँ पे मैराथन कंप्लीट करने के लिए वी हैव टू रन फॉर 40 किलोमीटर्स, दैट इज टोटल लेंथ ऑफ मैराथन रेस इज इक्वल टू 40 kilometers. That is, we'll convert it into meters. 40 kilometers multiplied by 1000 meters is equals to 40,000 meters. But as you know कि stadium track is only of 400 meters. So 40,000 meters divided by 400 meters is equals to 100. So it means if you have to run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete 100 rounds. Now, next question is, Dhanu has longest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeters. Gurpreet is second. His jump is 20 centimeters less than Dhanu's jump. Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeters less than Gurpreet's jump. Here question is find Gurpreet and Gopi's jump. So first we'll find Gurpreet's jump. Gurpreet की जो jump है वो है only 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. और Dhanu's की jump कितनी है 3 meter 40 centimeter. Gurpreet's jump will be equal to 3 meter 40 centimeter minus 20 centimeter. 3 meter 40 minus 20 centimeter. Next we have to find Gopi's jump. Here we have given his jump. Gurpreet की जो गोपी की जो jump है that is only less than 5 centimeter. So Gurpreet's jump is 3 meter 20 centimeters minus 5 centimeters. So 3 meters 20 minus 5 is 15 centimeters. So Gurpreet's jump is 3 meter 20 centimeter and Gopi's jump is 3 meter 15 centimeters. Now here are the Indian and world records for some jumps. Indian record, world record. Highest jump is Jaiveer Chandra. So here are some questions related to this chart. First question is, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? So first we have to check world record for high jump. World record for high jump is of Jaiveer, that is 2 meter 45 centimeter. So we'll write world record for high jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter. क्वेश्चन है कि चंद्रपाल को कितना और सेंटीमीटर जंप करना था. सो ही कुड be equal to Jaiveer jump, that is 2 meter 45 centimeter. Here Chandrapal jump is so here we have to subtract 2 meter 45 centimeter 2 meter 17 centimeter, that is so 2 meter 0 meters and 45 minus 17 is 28 centimeter. So Chandrapal have to jump for 28 centimeter so that he can be equal to world record for high jump, that is 2 meter 45 centimeter. Next question is, how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meter? So we have to check. Bobby A jump is 1 meter 91 centimeters and कि कितना सेंटीमीटर कम है 2 मीटर से. सो एज यू नो 2 meters इज इक्वल्स टू 200 centimeters and Bobby A jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter. 1 meter 91 centimeter, that is 1 into 100 plus 91 centimeter, that is 191 centimeter. So we'll subtract 200 centimeters minus 191 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeters. Now next question is, Galina's long jump is nearly 7 meters, first option. B is 7.5 meters and C option is 8 meters. So first let's see what is Galina's long jump. Here Galina's long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. Centimeters. So here first option is 7 meter, that is 700 centimeter. B option is 7.5 meter. Half meter will be equal to, if 100 centimeter का half कितना होगा 50 centimeter. So 7 meter and half centimeter is equals to 750 centimeters. And C option is 8 meters, that is 800 centimeter. So Galina's jump is nearly equal to 750 centimeters, because this is 700, so this is not equal, and this is nearly equal to 752 centimeters. So correct answer will be 7.5 meters. Now next is, what is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump of women's world record? So this is women's world record. Longest jump is of Galina, that is 7 meter 52 centimeters, and highest jump is by Stifa, that is 2 meter 9 centimeter. Centimeter. So we have to find the difference. So now we'll subtract 7 meter minus 2 meters, 5 meters, and 52 minus 9 is equals to 43 centimeters. So the difference of the longest jump and the highest jump is 5 meter 43 centimeters. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round to this field. Question is, how far did he run? So डॉक्टर ने देवी प्रसाद को रिकमेंड किया है कि आपको 2 किलोमीटर्स रन करना है टू स्टे फिट, एंड देवी प्रसाद टेकन वन राउंड ऑफ दिस फील्ड. सो डिस्टेंस covered by Devi Prasad equals to of this field, that is 500 meters plus 500 meters, this side plus 500 meters, this plus 500 meters, that is 2000 meters. So as we have to find in kilometers, so we'll divide it by 1000, that is 2 kilometers. So yes, Devi Prasad covered 2 kilometers of distance. Next is the field was very far. This field was far from his home, so he chose a park nearby of boundary 400 meter long. अब जो उसको पार्क था, देवी प्रसाद को ये वाला पार्क तो दूर लगता था, तो उसने अपने घर के पास एक पार्क देखा, दैट इज ऑफ 400 meters. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी राउंड्स मस्ट देवी रन टू कंप्लीट 2 किलोमीटर. एज डॉक्टर रिकमेंडेड कि आपको 2 किलोमीटर का रन करना है. सो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 राउंड is equals to 400 meters. Devi have to complete 2 kilometer of distance, that is equal to 2000 meters. So how many rounds must Devi needs? We'll divide 2000 by 400, that is 5 rounds. So Devi must take 5 rounds to complete 2 kilometer of distance. Next question is from Kozhikode to Thalassery. So both is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away, and Manjini is going to Thalassery, which is 46 kilometers away in opposite direction. So we have to find how far is Kozhikode to Thalassery. Suppose they both are starting, Subodh and Manjini are starting from the same point, that is from here. So Subodh is going to Kozhikode, that is 24 kilometers away, and Manjini is also starting from the same point, that is in opposite direction. To Thalassery, that is 46 kilometers away. So we have to find distance of Kozhikode to Thalassery. So total distance will be 24 kilometers plus this 46 kilometer. Now we'll add 46 plus 24 will be equal to 70 kilometer. So the distance of Kozhikode to Thalassery is 70 kilometers.